Okay, now, hopefully you've tried number 3. Let's work through it together. If you look at number 3, you will notice that this is HOH. HOH is the same thing as H2O, which is water, either way. All right, now, it's written as HOH for a very good reason. One of my time-saving rules is the third one. It says write water as HOH if OH minus is on the other side. That might be a little tricky, but if you look right here, this is the OH minus ion with the K. So we're going to treat water as HOH, which means it consists of literally an H and then an OH, not two H's and one O. Alright, so we look through here. This is not balanced. We need to take care of it. One of the rules says start with the highest subscript. That is the 2 with the H. Alright, so if I have two H's, I'm going to put the 2 in front of this H. Remember, don't treat this as an H right here. This is an OH. Alright, so if I have two H's now, that made two OH's. I need to put a 2 there. That causes two K's, so I need to put a 2 there. Finally, I would put a 1. So the correct way to balance this is 2, 2, 2, 1. Hopefully you're able to do that. All right, now, number 4 is pretty tricky. So here we go. Number 4 is a combustion reaction. We need to recognize combustions every time they have the same format. They are just C's and H's plus O2, and they always form carbon dioxide and water. Balancing one of these can be one of the most difficult things that we do in this class, unless we learn the rules. So let's look at the rules real quick. The quick rules that I've come up with were just first. This is the 4th rule. It says, first start with the 2. All right, that simply means literally start with the 2 with the first thing. The second rule is going to tell you to balance carbon. All right, going back to this, we just doubled everything here. So 2 times 6 is 12. I need to put that in front of the carbon. Remember, this 2 that's right here only goes with the oxygen. It does not go to the C as well. All right, so I now have 2 C6H6 and I have 12 CO2. The third rule, or third part I should say, says take the number with H and put it in front of water. Go ahead, Derek, it's okay. Alright, so the number in front of, or with H, is just this 6. Don't worry about the 2, it's just this 6 right here. Alright, so I'm going to take that 6 and put it in front of water. Alright, the final step is going to tell you to balance oxygen. The only number we can change is here. So I need to look at this carefully. I have 12 of everything here. So I have 12 times 2 is 24. Plus, I have 6 of everything here. So 6 times 1 is 6. That adds to 30. But, so that means I have 30 oxygens on the right. I need 30 on the left. But the number I put here is going to be doubled. So I need to divide this in half. That's 15. Alright. 2, 15, 12, 6. We would not have been able to just randomly think of those numbers, or even following the rules that I had a few minutes ago, or a few seconds ago, wouldn't have helped. We have to follow the exact rules for balancing combustion reactions. Okay. You should now work on 5, 6, 7. Let me give you a piece of advice on number 6. Number 6, you will notice OH here, OH here, PO4 here, PO4 there. We have lots of polyatomic ions in lots of different places. Remember, always keep the polyatomic ions together when you can. Okay? Don't break them up.